Fairy Fia and the Dancing Raindrops. In the whimsical land of Bloomville, there lived a joyful fairy named Fia. Every time it rained, Fia would dance and twirl, her laughter creating beautiful rainbows. But one day, as Fia looked up to the sky, she noticed that the clouds were gray and gloomy, yet not a drop of rain fell. Fia said, fluttering her tiny wings. She flew down to the garden, where the flowers were beginning to wilt. The animals gathered around her, looking worried.
How odd.
A small rabbit hopped up to Fia.
Miss Fia, why isn't it raining?
He asked, his ears drooping.
I don't know, Mr. Bunny.
Fia replied, frowning.
But I'm going to find out.
She flew up high and visited the wise willow, a tree that knew everything about the land and sky.
Wise willow,
Fia called.
why isn't it raining? The flowers are wilting and the animals are thirsty.
The wise willow rustled its leaves.
Ah, little Fia.
It said in a deep, gentle voice.
The Rain King has lost his favorite musical note. Without it, he can't make the raindrops dance.
Fia gasped.
Lost his musical note. Oh no, where could it be?
It's hidden somewhere deep in the heart of the
Replied
forest.
the wise willow.
But beware, for finding it will take courage, music, and friendship.
I have to find it.
Fia declared, determination shining in her eyes.
The land needs the rain.
As she fluttered through the forest, she heard a rhythmic tap, tap, tap. Curious, she followed the sound and found Bumble, the drumming beetle, tapping his shiny back legs against a stone.
Hello, Bumble. What are you doing?
Fia asked.
I'm practicing my drumming.
Bumble said with a grin.
But why do you look so worried, Fia?
The Rain King has lost his favorite note, and there's no rain without it.
She explained.
I'm on a quest to find it.
Well, you can't have a quest without a good beat.
Bumble chuckled.
Count me in.
Together, they continued deeper into the forest until they heard a sweet melody. Fia and Bumble followed the tune and found Kiki, the singing cricket, perched on a mushroom, her wings vibrating to create a beautiful song.
Kiki,
Fia called,
your singing is so lovely. Will you help us find the Rain King's lost note?
Kiki chirped happily.
Of course. A quest needs a melody to keep everyone's spirits up.
The trio moved forward, following a winding path until they stumbled upon Spindle, the whistling spider hanging from a delicate web.
Hello, Spindle.
Fia greeted.
We need your help to find the lost note and bring back the rain. Sounds like a tune I'd like to be part of. I'm in.
With her three musical friends, Fia felt confident. They ventured further until they reached the cloudy lair of the Rain King. He was a large, gloomy cloud sitting alone, looking very sad.
Excuse me, Your Majesty?
Fia approached him carefully. The Rain King looked up, his voice rumbling like distant thunder.
Who are you?
I'm Fia, and these are my friends Bumble, Kiki, and Spindle. We've come to help you find your lost note.
The Rain King sighed deeply.
I've searched everywhere, but it's gone. Without my favorite note, I can't play my song, and without my song, there can be no rain.
Fia said with a smile.
We'll play a tune together and maybe, just maybe, we can bring your song back.
Bumble began to drum a steady beat. Tap, tap, tap. Kiki joined in, singing a cheerful melody, while Spindle whistled high notes that danced through the air. Fia clapped her hands and twirled, creating a magical rhythm with her wings. The Rain King watched in awe, and slowly he felt something stir within him. That's it, he cried, his voice booming. You found it. The lost note was never really lost. It was hidden in the joy of music and friendship. He began to hum, and suddenly the sky brightened, and raindrops started to fall gently from the clouds. Fia laughed and spun around, dancing with the raindrops as they twinkled like stars.
You did it, Fia.
No, we did it together.
Fia replied, smiling at her friends. The animals rejoiced, and the flowers perked up, their petals glistening with dew. The Rain King floated down to Fia. Thank you, little fairy, he said, his voice soft and grateful. You've shown me that music and friendship can bring happiness, even to a grumpy old cloud like me. Fia curtsied.
Any time, Your Majesty. And remember, you're never alone as long as you have a song to share.
From that day on, whenever the rain fell, the animals and flowers danced with joy, knowing that the magic of friendship